Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a what's in my bag as well as a review of my new baby, my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini in reverse monogram. So stay tuned if you want to see everything that fits in this tiny little baby. So I asked you guys in my Instagram stories what kind of video you guys wanted to see next. I gave you all the option of a what's in my bag as well as a review or a clothing haul. So today you guys voted and we're gonna be doing the what's in my bag as well as a review. So the bag that I've been using lately is my Palm Springs Mini. This is a new style. If you guys are a little bit into luxury goods, this bag is not a new purse whatsoever. They released this years ago, but the difference is that this used to have a little flap where the zipper is. So a lot of people were having difficulties in wear and tear whenever they would open up the zipper. The fact that it would like get stuck, it was hard to open it up. So this has been in my wish list for a really long time. And so at the beginning of the year, I told myself that if I reach certain goals that I would buy this as a birthday gift. This is a really hard to find bag. Extremely difficult. It goes up to $500 or more in the Preloved market. So imagine buying this used for like $500 more than what it costs. I was close to doing it once, but I stopped myself. So around March I started just going through the website and refreshing, and then one night, it was like midnight, it gave me the option to place in my cart. I was so excited, but at the same time I was so nervous. I was like, wow, am I really gonna do this? Like, my birthday's not even close. It was like still 3 months to go, but I went for it. I bought it, and I gotta say, I do not regret it one little bit. So when I got it, I was a little surprised at how tiny it was, just because it's not a cheap bag, but it just fits so much, you guys. It is amazing. I am so obsessed with it. You can wear it in so many different styles, and I gotta say, if you are wanting to buy your first luxury bag, this is a really good option. If you're comparing it to, for example, any other Louis Vuittons, the ones that have the raw leather, like the Vachetta, those, I have one. Let me show you guys. So this is the type of leather that most of you guys are used to seeing in your Louis Vuittons. So this was a Christmas gift from my husband, and I am obsessed with it. The only thing is, every time I'm wearing it, I get so much anxiety. This type of leather, it's not treated, so water, oil, anything will stain it. I did spray it down with like a leather protectant, and that has helped it to stay a lot cleaner, but I definitely don't, wear it as much as, for example, this one. This one I already probably have worn it more times than this one, and I've had this one way longer. But, if you guys are looking into getting your first bag and something that it's not going to give you anxiety every time you're using it, definitely go for something that will have like the treated leather. This one is with the black, so it just makes it so much easier. Really, it's so hard wearing. Scratches or anything like that really won't show in it, and I decided to go for the reverse monogram, which a lot of people at first were saying that it was a very like a style that wasn't really gonna be on for a lot longer, but this is becoming a lot more popular, and I am so happy that I picked it, because I just feel like it makes it look so cool, and it just it just makes it look different. So I am so happy. This one right now, I'm wearing it as a backpack, so like just with the two straps. I crossed them because it is a little bit longer for my height. I am 5'2", so it goes a little bit down towards my butt, and I'll show you guys the different ways that I wear it. But normally I wear it either as a backpack or I wear it as a crossbody. I've actually worn it more as a crossbody because I just feel like it looks so cute, wearing it on the side. But yeah, she's just my cute little baby, and I'm so happy to have her. She was the best birthday gift I could have given myself. Even though I did start using her as soon as I got her, I said to myself that I was going to keep it in the box until my birthday, but then all the craziness with the pandemic started, and I was just like, why leave it, and you never know, you know, tomorrow's not promised. So I was like, I'm just gonna wear her and love her, and yeah, I'm so happy. So I'll show you guys now everything that I have in here. I wore this bag through the weekend, so it is full. I am not exactly sure everything that I have in here, but I can tell you it's heavy. I have a lot of things in here. So let's open it up. In this outside zipper, I only keep a little bit of cash, just because you know, it's like a little bag. I don't have like, you know, like just a bag just for cash. I just have a card holder, so this is where I keep my cash. So let's open it up and see everything that I have in here. So I want to get myself an organizer because everything's just kind of thrown in here. But first things first, eyelash glue. You gotta have your eyelash glue everywhere you go. So eyelash glue. Let's see, I have my car keys and my house keys in here. I have my YSL card holder. This card holder was actually a gift from a girl that sources my bag. So I bought a YSL purse from her once, and she gifted me the card holder, which I was so happy to have. This one fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, but some of the compartments do fit more than one. So, you know, this is usually where I keep all my stuff. I have my sunglasses. I have a mini Lysol because, you know, you gotta be prepared everywhere you go nowadays. A hand sanitizer because of the same thing. A mini tajin because you gotta be prepared. You never know who's gonna offer you some fruit, or anytime you're gonna wanna put some tajin on your margaritas or anything like that, so you gotta be prepared. I have a mask. This mask was, I bought it from one of my close friends. I'll go ahead and link her Etsy down below if you guys are interested. It does come with like an inside pocket where she gave it to me with a filter, but I actually have some some mask, and I am putting them in them. So, you know, just for extra protection. But this is my baby. Let's see. I have my Switch. So the whole Switch with the Joy-Cons doesn't fit in here, so I just take the Joy-Cons out and like put it right in here, but it fits my Switch perfectly. I gotta have Animal Crossing everywhere I go with me. Anytime I'm a little bored, just take my Switch out, you know, check on my villagers and play some Animal Crossing. Okay, and then I have some lip products. So let's see what I have in here. This is my favorite lipstick ever, and I am so sad because Buxom released this only for like a summer. I don't think they have this color anymore, but the style of lipstick is amazing. So this is a Buxom Paradise Found color, and I'll swatch it for you guys because I am obsessed. So this one goes on like a gloss. Do you guys see that? Look at that color, you guys. So it goes on with like a little creamy gloss, and then once like the gloss rubs off, it leaves this beautiful matte color underneath. I have 3 different colors that were released at the same time this one was, and they're just so beautiful. Look at how bright and like just gorgeous that is. And then I have, what is this? Clinique. This is a Juicy Apple. This is another gloss, which just so beautiful. Imagine. Look at that. I can put probably this Juicy Apple on top of this whenever it dries up, and it'll be amazing. And then I have Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Gloss, which is just another gloss. And then I have the Tarte. I'm not sure what color this is. It rubbed off, but this is just a matte lipstick, and it's a beautiful nude. You guys see that? So pretty. So those are the lipsticks that I carry with me. Okay, so you guys now see everything that fits in here. It honestly had even more space to fit even more things in there, but you know, that's just kind of what I carry on my day-to-day. Most of my purses are really small, so I don't carry a lot of things with me. This is probably one of the ones that fit the most, and you know, that's just kind of like what I carry with me this weekend. I'm gonna show you guys different ways that I wear it now. So this weekend I was wearing it as a backpack, so with the cross straps. This is where it falls. So, you know, just a cute little backpack. I am really upset. Right now there's no weight in it, that's why it kind of like goes back. But when there's a little bit of weight, it kind of just sits like that. Can we just, oh, it's so pretty. I am so obsessed with it. So that is one way you can wear it. The second way that you can wear it, which is what I've actually been doing the most, is, let me go ahead and take one of these straps off. And then I'm just gonna put it here, and it is as a crossbody. So this is the way that you guys will probably see it the most. This bag was on my Pinterest board for years, you guys, years, and this is like the way I always imagined I would wear it, and it just falls perfectly. It's like easy access to kind of everything you need to get. It goes with everything, you know, the Louis Vuitton brand, thankfully, like the canvas will go with any really outfit that you want. You know, it's very wearable. So yeah, this is how I decided to wear it. This dress I got from H&M. It is a beautiful linen dress. I will be doing a haul on my next video with everything I got at H&M because there's so many beautiful things. But yeah, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this kind of content. You know, designer bags are a really big passion of mine. This is where I spend all my money. I don't spend my money getting my hair done or my nails done. I do those myself, but purses, that's where my money goes to. So if you guys want to see any more of my collection, any other reviews, let me know, and I'll go ahead and, you know, film those for you. And yeah, if you have any questions on this bag, go ahead and let me know. I will be linking some pre-loved versions down below. I'll link this version on the Louis Vuitton website. If you want it, stock it. Trust me. Or, you know, get in touch with them at the store and see if they can search it, you know, like find it for you. But it is something I definitely recommend. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a very great day, and